Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. This time we'll have two Sigma mystery bags or boxes, depend how they, I don't remember how they were calling them, but they had and I had in my description box in my last videos their link for those boxes. There were two mystery, let's call them bags. They had two mystery bags. One was $15 and the other one, the luxury one, was $30. I think they had a third one, but when I went online and looked for that one didn't have any price or option to add it to your cart. So I got the two that were available, and let's go ahead and see what they have in those mystery bags. And here is an envelope from them, Sigma Beauty, and probably here is the invoice. Actually no, this one they show you here what they have on their website. So lots of items from cosmetics, makeup to brushes, and all kind of sets of brushes. So yeah, it's good to look in this one and see if you find something that you might like there. And let's go ahead and see what they have in here. They send the box like this. And on this one I also bought for myself, I bought a cleansing, a liquid brush cleanser in a full size. This is Sig Magic brush shampoo, is this one, and this one comes with 5 for 1 fluid ounces. Let's see what's the size of this one. I'm using many times hair products for my brushes. I'm using the solid cleanser always, but I thought it's time to try something new, so here is the size of this one. And also they send me here a sample, which is this one. Is the same cleanser but in a sample. So let's see what the mystery bags from them. Sorry. So we have those two. The first one is Sigma Premium Mystery Hold. Looks like this. And let's see what we have in this one. This one was $15, and we get a card in here with the product. In this one they also give you a $20 off coupon for $50 purchase, so the code is premium if you wanna use that. Let's see what we have in here. We have E45 small tapered blending, which is $11, and I believe it's this one, E45. Is this one right here. I like the brushes, they are so soft, but in the same time not that because I got some brushes that were extremely soft, and when you wanted to use them they were just spreading around and do nothing. But those are soft, in the same time they do a great job. So the first one, it's $11 and it's E45. Then we have in here Brow Highlight Duo, and this one is $9. Looks like this. And I believe we have a highlighter in here, brighten up your eyes and polish your brows with this soft pressed powder duo, which have a shimmer and a matte shade. So here is the packaging for this one, and here are the colors. Here is the matte one, here is the shimmer one, and let me actually swatch them for you. I don't know how well you can see this, but those are the shades in this one. Is the Highlight Duo Professional Makeup Collection. They say here it's for brows. Then we have an eyeliner which is called Nutmeg. This one is $6. The packaging looks like this. It's a full size. It's a brown shade. And here is the color of this one. It's pretty nice. Applies very easy, and it's not that dry type. So an eyeliner in full size, a rich creamy pencil with stunning color payoff, use alone or under powder pigment as a base. Okay, this one. Then we have Lip Wax All Heart, a $7 value. This is a smooth creamy chocolate brown opaque high shine lip gloss, wear alone or layer over lip color. So the shade is All Heart. I'm not so much into Sigma products. Here is the shade of this one. I do like this one. It's not that dark brown. This one right here, very shiny. And we have one more product in here, which is another sample from the brush shampoo Sigmagic. This in full size it's $15. The full size is this one, and here is the sample. This is the ultimate 100% natural brush cleaner. So all those items for $15. Let me know, because I'm not so much into Sigma product. I don't know probably the value of this one. I will leave, actually I will count the value for this bag, and I will leave it right here on the screen. So this was the first the premium mystery box, let's say it box. And let's see what we have in the second one. This one is Sigma Deluxe Mystery Haul. Looks like this, comes with the same card. And let me clean my hands so I can show you. Actually I will swatch them on my other hand. Let's see what we get in this one. We have bigger sizes. This one was double as price, was $30. Of course you have another coupon in here if you wanna use it, my pleasure. The first one was for, let's see how much, it's for $20 for each one. So even if you look the code premium, or if you use the code deluxe, and I will leave it on the screen, you get 20% off from 50, which is not bad. It's almost half. Let's see what we have in this one. A repeat in this time. We have the same brush cleanser in a sample. This one comes with, I don't see, oh, it's 0.25 fluid ounces, which is 7.5 milliliters. Is this packet right here. Then we have a brush, and this one is dual fiber powder brush F15. This brush is 22. nice and soft. Looks like this. And about this one, achieve a creamy natural wash of color or highlight with this super soft Sigma Tech duo fiber brush, used with any type of powder including mineral formulas. So second product. Then we have in here a full size product, which is aura powder, and this one has 8.48 grams. It's $13. Add dimension and color to your face with this perfectly pigmented pressed powder in the shade Lady Sleeper, a soft and opaque cooler light pink. So is this one, and here is that's a very pink shade. And let's swatch this. So here is the shade for this one. Then we have in here lip base magnetism, $8 value. This multitasking lip pencil can be used as a base for color layering, or it can be worn alone for a bold orange red opaque matte finish. Is this shade right here, orange? We'll see. I lost the lid somewhere. So here is the lip crayon, very creamy, and here is the shade of this one. We'll see how this one works. Then we have Loose Shimmer Professional Makeup Collection. This one is in the shade Lush, and it's an 8 value product. Your beauty possibilities are endless with this searing hot pink sparkling loose shimmer pigment. Wear on eyes, lips, face, body, even nails and hair. I never wear shimmer products on my hair or other parts of my body, but anyway, this one looks like this. I like the packaging of them, and let's see, comes with the seal. Trying to take some pigment. That's a beautiful color, especially now for fall. Is this one right here. I hope you can see this one. It blends very well and very easy. So I think it's a pretty nice one. And we have one more product in here, which is dual-ended brow pencil. And about this one, this is an $8 value. Customize your brow color using both sides of the pencil to create hair-like strokes. Darken towards the tail of the eyebrow for a natural effect. Okay, I learned something new. Here is the brow pencil, and let me swatch this for you. So here is the lightest color. It's a light brown. It's a medium actually, and it's called medium. And here is the dark one. So the second line in here, it's the dark one. Not as creamy as I would like them to be, but anyway, we'll see. So this was the last product in the deluxe mystery haul, how they call this one. So far you get this full size blush in that pink shade. You get this copper color pigment, which is pretty nice. You get the lip crayon, you get the brush, which is F15, you get the sample cleanser, and you get the brow powder. So here are the shades for the two kits. This is the premium one, which was 15, and here are the shades for the deluxe one, which was 30. So that's kind of all for those kits. Let me know what do you think about the Sigma products, the brushes and their makeup products also. I didn't use any makeup product from them, I just used couple of brushes. If you know more about them, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what do you think about the prices for those boxes, and I will leave on the screen for each one the value of the mystery bag. So that's kind of all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.